ladies. Okay, so I am 6 DPO today and I've been testing kind of off camera because I'm so early. There's not really a lot of point in testing, in like filming it and then, you know. So basically the thing that is completely different this month is the fact that I've been getting really dark OPKs. Now I'd really like to know if you guys have ever had this and then it's kind of started with your positive pregnancy test, sort of like 10 DPO. I will show you the tests. This was actually yesterday's. So as you can see, the lines are super dark, right? And this is the one that I've just done this morning. Still pretty dark though, isn't it? So I've done a cheapy pregnancy test. I don't think there's anything on it at the moment, but obviously guys, I'm only 6 DPO, so I'm really not expecting much. I have actually like a whole update video for you guys on Charlie's speech, my eyebrows that I had redone, and a little bit on Harry as well. So if you want to see that video, give this one a thumbs up, subscribe to me for free. I will just quickly show you the pregnancy test before I go. But yeah, I'm pretty sure it's negative, but again, it's really early, so I'm not really expecting too much. I don't really see anything, do you? So subscribe to me for free, thumbs up this video, and I will see you in my next update, which will be literally within the next few days. Bye ladies.